Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Some prerequisites for web app testing that teams must account for. 1. Clear testing schedules. To test websites and apps to a high standard, it's essential that businesses have a well-planned schedule which covers every feature to some degree. 2. Prioritize testing. The extent to which the team tests each web app function depends on a number of factors, including time and the importance of that particular feature. Testing teams work to adequately check every aspect of a web app, but some components naturally require deeper examination than others. 3. Automation software. To successfully implement web automation testing, the testing team, and perhaps the business itself, should investigate the many third-party options available. These can provide a wide range of features at a competitive price or even for free. 4. Experienced testing staff. Although any tester can conduct cursory checks of an application, deeper inspections of the functionality require some level of experience and knowledge about web applications and how to test them. Web-based testing can be much simpler than other software checks, but complex web applications still require in-depth examinations to make sure they're ready for release. If automating some of these tests, a skilled programmer is often vital. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.